Hello guys, myself Swapnil Shimpi and I am here to tell you about one serious issue which is rather a consequence of this coronavirus pandemic. According to recent United Nations report, it is predicted that global hunger could double itself and around 265 million people would be facing acute starvation recently. Reacting to it, United Nations General Secretary Antonio Guterres has said that this consequence of this COVID pandemic could push even more families and communities into deeper distress. Challenging times, we must redouble our effort to fight hunger and malnutrition. And this is where Confederation of Empowerment Initiative comes in. It is a not-for-profit international development agency which is working day in and day out for the empowerment of these underprivileged tribal rural people of our country. Guys, due to this lockdown, we are supposed to stay indoors. While we enjoy our daily good meals, there are some people in our country who don't even know will they be receiving their next meal or not. Because of this lockdown, these people are fighting for their survival. And these are those people who neither exist in the records of our government to avail the benefits of PDS or ration card scheme, neither do they have enough resources to survive this economic turmoil. Guys, I wouldn't have asked for you if it wasn't for survival of those underprivileged people of our country, because they are in need of urgent help of yours. You cannot make a hungry child wait for longer period. Guys, these underprivileged people are our fellow Indians. As our citizens of our country, we pledge that all Indians are my brothers and sisters, and we also pledge for their well-being and prosperity. Then guys, how can we leave them stranded in this difficult period? Talking about donation, be it small or big donation, your each and every donation would count for a meal for that underprivileged child and his family. After all, a small act of kindness is greater than grandest intention. So guys, to know more about our initiative and donate for this noble cause, I would like you to click in the description below. And to know more about Confederation of Empowerment Initiative, I would like you to visit our social media pages like Twitter, Instagram or LinkedIn. Thank you so much guys for hearing me out. जय हिंद और याद रखना कोई भूखा ना सोए.